Hello everyone, welcome to this session on case study analysis on career plateau. I'm Dr.R.Anitha from SNS College of Engineering. See, what is career plateau? Career plateau is the stage where we'll come to a stagnant position where we feel that there is no further growth in this organization, but there is no further opportunity for the growth in these organizations. We all would have come across these career plateau stages in our career. So how we can come out of that, how the organization can take measures for their employees who are facing the career plateaus to come out of that we are going to see through this case. So this is a small case about Ms. Emily Thompson, who is a manager in a mid-sized IT company. She is experiencing a career plateau characterized by a lack of upward mobility and professional growth. She didn't find any upward movement in the organization for the professional growth. So, despite of her consistent high performance and valuable contributions over the past 12 years, more than 12 years, she was continuously given a good contributions and was a good high performer of the organization. So now she's feeling that a stagnated position. This stagnation led her to be uncertain about her future within that organization. So it's very important when we are working in our organizations. It is very important that we have to have the confidence that our career growth would be there in that organizations, and it is possible for us to use whatever the skill sets, knowledge acquired by the particular person in that organizations can be utilized in the future. But Emily was not able to get that in that particular organization, so that was her career plateau. But how she handled that? So before that, just a small meaning about a career plateau. Career plateau occurs when an employee has reached the highest position level they can possibly obtain within an organization. It should be the highest position in that organization. After that, it should stop. That would be the highest position. And they have no future prospects of being promoted due to lack of skills, corporate restructuring, and other factors. There could be various other reasons for not able to move. Not only with a thing like there is no further positions. It might be due to the lack of skill set of the employees, or there is a problem in the restructuring, corporate restructuring, on various other internal and external factors. So Emily was suffered because of the restructuring which has required in that particular organization. So what that organization could do for making Emily to get out of this career plateau field. So we have given some measures for that. There are so many measures and strategies which could be followed in the organizations to come out of the career plateaus. If you take the first one is the performance review feedback. When Emily is a good performer, considered as a good performer, and there in the organization with rich experience, why this performance review is important and why the feedback has to be given? Is it necessary? Yes, of course, because whoever the high performer and whatever the level they are contributing, it is very important that the person has to be recognized for the contributions. So we'll come to know only when we are doing the performance review, we'll be able to know how much they have performed, how good they have performed, and based on that we can give the feedback to them, not only with the compliment, not only with the recognitions, what could be the better part. We just can also inform them how the experience they have gained in the today can be get connected with the future endeavors, how these experiences or the knowledge would be helpful to them for their career development, or how they can do all the plan or not. So for that matter, the performance review and feedback is important. And then coming to next is internal mobility opportunities. When Emily was working in the HR department, she might be looking after any one domain like training or recruitment or compensation. She could have been given with some other domain like as an internal mobility opportunities. So then her learning path will be more, and she would be happy that she is learning something more which would be helpful for her future career stages or career experiences or career future works. So that internal mobility could have been given more emphasis, and then career development plan. So it is the important measure for all the organizations have to give the confidence for the confidence to the employees about their professional growth. So it can be done through connecting the work whatever they are doing with their professional growth, how it is going to help them, how they can do the plan for their future career development. All these things can be taught to the employees through different ways and means. So that would be another factor. The next one coming to us, the mentorship program. Being a senior person and a talented person, Emily could have given with the mentorship role, and she can conduct a mentorship program for her peer members or the needy people. That would make Emily to feel more happy, she's making the other people to learn things, and she could easily feel that leadership. So that leadership and ownership of the work make her more happy and make her to more contribute to the organization. Simultaneously, she will also be very happy and confident about her professional growth and whatever the ways these are all going to help her in the future. So that would be possible when she is doing the mentorship program. So coming to the recognition and visibility, when she is being recognized, that openly, that visibility of that recognition and her contribution will be known to all the people, all the peer members, and that would make the other members motivated, especially make Emily to be more happy and more confident, and they make her feel more ownership. Well, these are the things which are very, very important for her professional growth. So that recognition and visibility could be done in a better way by the organization. So these are the measures like performance review and feedback, internal mobility opportunities, career development plan, mentorship program, and recognition and visibility are the measures that the organization can take to make the Emily come out of her career plateau. Hope the case study analysis is useful to you and informative to you. Thank you all.